What's going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. My name is Joshua Dangle George, for those of you that are new to the channel or don't know who I am. And what I'm basically going to explain to you guys today is how I'm going to get started with my journey of earning $100 a day on Clickbank. Okay, I'm just going to basically, freestyle this entire video, just basically give you guys a bit of an insight into, what I'm planning, what I'm thinking of doing. Literally just documenting the journey, basically, trying to create a structure into how I'm going to get started, because I still need to actually get started and place the ads, etc. So I basically want to have as much as possible documented for you guys, so that you can follow along with me, but also because it's good to look back on, if I do actually make that $100 a day profit with Clickbank. That's always great to look back on and to see the journey unfold, basically. So like I said, we are going to be using Clickbank for this. The reason for that is because it has withstood the test of time. It's been here for years. It's for those of you that are completely unfamiliar with Clickbank. It's basically like an affiliate marketplace, where people, so vendors, third parties, can place their products on like a platform, Clickbank, and we can then pick those products and then promote them online. If we get a sale through our Clickbank link, which is called a hop link, we get commission for promoting it, and obviously the vendor, the owner of the product, gets their sale, basically. So they win, we win, and obviously Clickbank take a small percentage commission as well, for letting us use the platform. Okay, so that is basically what Clickbank is, and literally, guys, there are thousands of products. I think I googled it like last week or something like that, and there's like over 21,000 products available on Clickbank. So there's definitely going to be a product there that we can promote and that we can hopefully get a success with on Facebook. So that is it in terms of the platform I'm going to be using. Facebook, like I said, Facebook ads are what we're going to be setting up in terms of the paid traffic. The reason for that is because I think free traffic, it just takes too long. I don't want to be building up a brand. I don't want to be setting up blogs. I don't want to be writing blogs. I don't like writing blogs. I don't want to be doing anything like that. So I do want to actually set up paid ads, because I do think that is the quickest way of doing it. And Facebook, because I feel most comfortable with it. I'm not a complete expert in terms of Google ads. Same goes for Bing, Quora, Pinterest, Tumblr, whatever. Facebook ads is what I feel most comfortable doing. It's what I've got the most experience in, and I feel that I know the Facebook Business Manager inside and out. So hopefully, with my Facebook skills, we can do some damage with Clickbank. Obviously, this is completely new to me. I haven't really done anything on Clickbank. I've looked through it, I've tested a few things out, but basically we are starting at zero here. So a great moment to actually start documenting the journey, because like I said, you guys can follow along and see everything from start to finish. In terms of, because obviously within Facebook there are multiple placements, etc. I'm going to be starting with mobile, so not desktop. I'm going to be doing everything via mobile first. And we are probably going to start with the Facebook newsfeed or the Instagram newsfeed, but probably start with Facebook newsfeed. We can even look into Instagram stories as well, but we will probably just start with the Facebook newsfeed, keep it simple, mobile optimized, and then once we've found that works, once we've found a nice flow with the Facebook newsfeed on mobile, then we can look into other things and maybe test desktop, test the Instagram stories, etc. The reason for that is because mobile traffic is cheaper more often than not, and because nowadays everyone's on the phone anyway, so you might as well target people on the phone. People that are on Facebook are on the phone more often than they're on the desktop nowadays as well. So I just feel that is the right place to start. And like I said, once we've got a nice flow in it and we feel that we can make the campaign profitable, then we can also look into desktop, etc. as well. Okay, so that is it in terms of what platform I'm using, in terms of what paid traffic source I'm using. In terms of the tracking, I'm not going to use any additional trackers yet. Again, we might look into this further on, but I feel that when you start out, you don't use any type of tracker, because you don't even know that they exist. You know what I mean? You don't even know what they do. So we're just going to start really simple. We'll start using Google Sheets, and then once we've got the hang of everything and we feel comfortable with Clickbank, with the Facebook ads, and we have data on the sheet, then we can look into additional features and, you know, accessories like a tracker. Okay, so I want to make this very, very simple for those of you that are following along or just starting out, or, you know, like, you know, watching my journey unfold. We'll start simple and then we'll slowly build it up from there. So that is it. Anyway, in terms of the update, I'm going to be doing some research on Clickbank, and I'll show you guys in the future videos, you know, what I'm actually doing, what I'm looking at. I'll actually show you guys how I create a Clickbank account, because I noticed that we got a few questions about that as well. So I'll create a Clickbank account. I already have one, but we'll create a demo account, and then I can basically walk you guys through the entire process. I can show you the Clickbank dashboard. We'll look into like the categories, because there's so many products available on Clickbank, they are all organized into categories. So I'll show you guys through all of that. I'll explain what the gravity is on Clickbank. I'll show you how to create the hop links, etc. So there's a lot of good stuff coming soon, so make sure you do subscribe to this channel. Click on that little bell icon as well, so you get a notification every single time I upload. That is it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave the video with a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on Clickbank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.